Weekly forecast for GBPUSD or weekly projection for GBPUSD. What's up guys, my name is Ajite Tomowa. In this video I'll be doing a weekly forecast for GBPUSD or weekly projection for GBPUSD. I will start from the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, then I will go to the 4 hours time frame, then go back to the time frame that I normally take my trade, which is the 30 minutes time frame. So firstly, we are going to start from the daily time frame. So guys, as you can see on the daily time frame, you can see that the market has been on an uptrend for quite some times. But another thing that we are going to notice here is that the market has been a little bit of ranging in this particular place. It has been here for some time, and the market is trying to push up, then create a retest, then go up, create a retest in this particular resistance zone, this place. But who knows what the market is going to do next week? The market might decide in this resistance zone. The market might decide not to push past the resistance zone and create a resistance. And if the market creates a particular resistance here, that means we are going to have a drop next week. But mind you, there's still a solid support zone here. So even if the market creates a resistance zone here and drop, if this support zone is still holding, this particular support zone, we are still on a bullish trend. If it's still hold, we are still on a bullish trend, because the market might decide to reverse there and go to the upside. But we don't know what the market might do. But if the support zone do not hold, it might decide to come down and retest the support zone. And if the market does that, that means the market is creating a particular new trend, which is the downtrend. But we don't know what is going to happen next week in the market. But so far so good. What we can still see here is that we are still on a bullish trend, because our daily time frame is still on an uptrend, and as you can see, the market is trying to push to the upside. But anything can happen in the market. So, but we are still on a uptrend according to the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So as you can see on the 4 hours time frame, throughout last week we traded in this particular area on the 4 hours time frame. So throughout last week we are trading in this particular area on the 4 hours time frame. That means we have and if you can see it, the market is still bullish. The market is bullish because you can see that each support, this one is still holding. There's no support that is broken here, even though the market is ranging. If you look at in this particular box, the market is ranging, but we still have little opportunity of buying and little opportunity of selling. But the market is still projecting up, as you can see here, because there is no support that was broken in this market. Even if it comes to breaking the support, it still hold the support. The support is still holding. If the market gets to a particular support, is still holding, the market will just push back up. So even though last week was ranging, little opportunity of buying, little opportunity of selling, we are still on what? We are still on a bullish trend. In order for us to be able to certify a very strong bullish trend, we have to what? We have to break this resistance zone. We have to break it to the upside, then retest this resistance zone, then the market will continue pulling up for us to have a strong bullish trend. Because as you can see, the majority of what happened last week is a ranging market. It's just the market is mainly moving from look at it. The market is mainly moving from range zone to zone, even though there is opportunity of little buying and little selling. But who knows what the market is going to do next week? And in order for us to have a sell market, the market will have to push down here, then break this particular demand zone, which is the support, break it to the downside, then retest it, then continue pushing down. That is when we are going to have a downtrend. But we don't know if this resistance is going to hold. Because if this resistance hold, we might have a likelihood of coming down next week. But if the resistance not hold, we might have likelihood of breaking it, then retesting it, then continuing upward next week. But we don't know what the market is going to do. So, but the overall trend on the 4 hours time frame also is still a bullish trend, because the market is still trending to the upside. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So as you can see, this is the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is also the reflection of the higher time frame. As you can see, we can see that the market has been ranging throughout the week also, even though the ranging is inside a very big uptrend on the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. But we can see that the market has been ranging, also moving sideways. So the market has also been moving sideways. But if we look at it closely, all these supports are respected. The market is not breaking the support, so which still means we are still on a very bullish trend, except all the support have been broken to the downside, then retested, then the market head back down. Then that's when we can say that okay, there's opportunity of a downtrend that we should be selling. But so far, these supports are still holding. We are still on a bullish trend. So the market might decide to do something like this and break this The market might decide to break this resistance zone next week and push to the upside, then retest, then continue going upward. But the overall trend, even though we are having so many turbulence, which is the sideways movement consolidation, the overall trend on the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and the 30 minutes time frame is still a bullish trend. As you can see, it's still a very bullish trend, because all the supports, the demand zone are being respected. It's not being broken. And from the daily hour time frame, which is a bigger reflection of what the market is doing, we are on a bullish trend. we are on a bullish trend, but the market might decide to do otherwise next week. We don't know what the market is going to do next week, but overall, my probability is still more of a buy next week than sell. But if the market decides to hold this what this resistance on the daily time frame next week, we might have so many opportunity of selling. But if the resistance zone is being broken, it's being broken to the upside, then retested, then we should be having opportunity of a massive buy. In any market condition, you always have opportunity of either both of buying, and selling, but you'll be having more of opportunity of either than the other, because the market is in probability. So that is my weekly forecast for GBPUSD coming next week. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's going to help the YouTube algorithm to be able to spread the forex education to other people. And also check the description box to join my Telegram group. This is where I share all my trades that I take during the week. Either a win, either a loss, either a break even. I share all my trades. I try as much as possible to be very, very transparent. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TommyJDomi. So guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.